Welcome friends in lecture 9 science lesson 10 reflection and refraction of light. Fine, today we are going to learn about the images formed by the concave mirror. Now in terms of concave mirror, if you see, the images which are formed are only two. Now if you see through the ray diagram also, all the lines, as I told you how to make it in the previous video, draw a straight line, put a perpendicular line, three lines above, 3 line below, 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter and 6 centimeter, that is F2 and C2, an object where you are supposed to keep, that is F1 and C1. Now when all the lines which are coming, now how to draw a lens. So last time I told you to draw from one line to another line, so that will be convex, but here in this case you slightly draw from the center of, don't put it up till line, make it slightly short to a line and draw a curvature. Here also you make it the same way, here also as a curvature, and join it from the above and below, so you will get a concave lens very easily. Fine, I hope so you understood. Now all the lines which are coming parallel and getting diverged, here they are getting diverged, but the diversion is, if you draw backside, that will be at focal point, right? So object is at infinity, all the lines which are coming parallel gets diverged, but they are at the focal point, basically in the point size. Now as you are seeing, the position of an image is at focus, and it is, as size is diminished, that is highly diminished, and nature of an image is virtual and erect. Virtual and erect, that is obtained on the same size of an, where the object is there, not on the other side. Fine. In the second case also, if you see, if the object is kept between any infinity and pole, if object is kept, draw a straight line and from the focus diverge it out, but from the focus, and another ray is passing from the pole as usual that we are doing, both of them will get crossed, that is dotted line and the line passing from the pole, you will get an image here also. So object is between infinity and pole, image is obtained between focus point and pole. Fine. And it is diminished, the size of an image will be diminished, virtual and erect, virtual and erect. This is how you will get an image from the convex lens. Now the sign convection, if you go furthermore with respect to sign convection, you are able to see, in case of sign convection, you are able to see the lines that are kept, that is the principal axis. Here is a center, we are keeping lens, either with it is a convex lens or a concave lens. From the lens where the object is there, obviously the line, the incident ray is coming from the object side and passing from the lens. So in the direction of the principal axis and on the lens, if you go from the lens opposite to the direction of the incident ray, everything is supposed to be taken as negative, and in the direction that it is opposite direction, it will be negative, and in the direction of an incident ray beyond the lens, that is not where the object is there, opposite to the object side, everything is taken as positive. So this is a lens, and taken towards the object, that will be more convenient towards to you, towards the object from the lens, everything negative, away from the object, that is not on the object side, everything is taken as positive. Now this is the principal axis, above the principal axis everything is taken as positive, and below the principal axis everything is taken as negative. As you are seeing, I have kept the sign image, and this image explains you very clearly the things around. First of all, we will understand what is a lens formula, and then we will understand as magnification. The lens formula is as we have seen in mirror, it's the same, 1 by f is equals to 1 by v minus 1 by u. In case of mirror it was plus 1 by v plus 1 by u in case of mirror. In case of lens it is 1 by f is equals to 1 by v minus 1 by u. What is v is an image distance, what is u is an object distance, what is f is an focal length. Now magnification is also in the same manner, slightly different, just everything if you will see it, you will be seeing same, that is height of an image upon height of an object, that is h dash upon h, which is equals to distance of an image upon distance of an object. Only the thing is that in terms of mirror it is taken as negative, in terms of lens it is taken as positive. Fine, it is taken as positive. Now the another thing, that is magnification is taken, is answer is positive, the images are real. If it is negative, it is virtual. Fine. If it is more than 1, the answer is more than 1, then it is magnification. If it is less than 1, it is diminished. Fine. So this all the laws are same, that is need to be taken as into consideration. So thank you for this particular